Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AWeber Crash Course 3.0 review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this training program called AWeber Crash Course 3.0. So this is that review. And right now we are on a sales page. It says put your name on this high quality PLR product and keep 100% of the profits on every sale and sell it as your own, right? So take my AWeber Crash Course 3.0 and quickly become an AWeber authority. Start making real money with your list. I will teach you everything I have learned about maximizing the AWeber list building software. So if you know or if you do not know, AWeber is an email autoresponder service. So you have to go and sign up, and they charge you around like $20 for 1,000 subscribers every month. Okay, that's a lot of money every month, only for 1,000 subscribers. So in this video, we'll talk about this quickly. What is this offer? And I might give you some alternatives as well so that you can save your money. Okay, so first things first, this program is a training program, and this guy is going to share his knowledge and experience. So he will teach you everything about how to use AWeber autoresponder for your email marketing needs. Okay, and also you can buy this course and you will be getting PLR, right? So you can sell this course as your own and you can make some money. So let's say you have some traffic, you are already doing email marketing maybe, or you are ready to buy some paid ads, or you have a YouTube channel. So if you have an audience or following anywhere and you are looking for a good training program, then maybe you can go and sell this as your own, in which you will tell people that I am going to teach you about how to use AWeber for email marketing. Okay, so that's all for this, and you can check everything on the sales page. Let me see if we have any FAQs, because it's all about AWeber. So if you buy this, you will learn how to use the software. It's not gonna be any it's not going to change your life in any way, because I am gonna ask you not to buy AWeber personally, because these are very costly autoresponders. I have the free option, not the free, but yeah, it's a very cheap option I will give you. Well, let me cover the sales page and then I'll talk about what is I'm saying right now. So is this course targeted more for beginners, intermediate, or advanced? This course is designed specifically for beginners and intermediate AWeber users. However, I guarantee that you can read everything here. So does the AWeber Crash Course apply to the free version of AWeber? Yes. What is AWeber Authority? I define an AWeber authority as someone who can charge a hefty fee to set up clients' AWeber email list. Okay, what are my unrestricted PLR guys? So you got to just go and read everything. I will not waste my time on this. So I do not have any problem. It's only $10. Okay, so if you want to get this training program and you want to learn few things about AWeber, you can go and grab the program, or you can just buy this because you want to sell this and make money. Okay. And then we have some otos. So let's talk about otos quickly. So this is front end in $10, and then they have an upsell of what is this advanced version for $17. The second upsell is email marketing mastery for 17 again. And then what is this final upsell? I don't know what is this. Okay, final downsell is, I guess they have some club, or they will give you some coaching. I will recommend you not to do this. Okay, but it's entirely your call. If you have enough money to just go and buy, because if you buy something online, it doesn't change your life unless you are ready to work and change your life yourself. Okay, so let's talk about what are the alternate solutions, because yes, you will learn something about AWeber using this training program. However, I also told you that you should not go and join these autoresponders such as GetResponse or AWeber, because they charge you like $20 just for 1,000 subscribers, and which means if you go and grow your email list for like maybe 10,000 email subscribers tomorrow or after a few months, for 10,000 I think you will be paying easily $150 or maybe $200 per month. Okay, that's a lot of money to commit to. But I can give you an alternate solution. If you go below my video and click on show more, and you will find all these links. So this autoresponder which I'm talking about, it's called Lead Sleep. Okay, you can go and check this out. Lead Sleep is a free autoresponder for lifetime. if you want to emails every now and then. So with the free version, so with this free lead sleep, you will be getting like, you can send broadcast emails for maybe 10 times in a month. Okay, so every third day you will be allowed to send emails to your subscribers using this lead sleep, and you can do that every third day, like 10 times in a month, with the free version for a lifetime. So you don't have to pay anything for any autoresponder. You can just go and start collecting your email leads into this lead sleep autoresponder, and after that you can send emails for free rest of your life every third day. Okay, but if you want to maybe send emails per day and you want to access more features, then you can become the pro member. But just go and check this out, and then you can decide how to do, right? So this was the alternative to AWeber and GetResponse, and this is only for people who are actually having a strategy. Okay, strategy means you are really serious, you're taking this serious, that okay, I am getting into email marketing now, and I will be collecting email leads for next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So I need one autoresponder for my, maybe for my like whole 5 years, right? And if you go and compare now, because I told you lead sleep is free for rest of the life, once every third day you can send emails for free, totally for free. Okay, whereas these autoresponders like GetResponse, AWeber, they charge you 1,000, not 1,000, they charge you like $20 for 1,000 emails only. And with lead sleep, you do not have any subscriber limit. Okay, you can have million subscribers, you can send email to those millions people every third day for free. Are you getting the point? Okay, so this is it. And second is that if you are actually trying to make money with email marketing, and if you do this typically, it's gonna, you're gonna lose so much money. Okay, in typical email marketing, you need so many tools which you don't need. Okay, so if I have to do email marketing, I'll show you the simplest way. Because if you click on this first link that says make money with traffic Jarvis, okay, on this page you will find two methods how to make money online, the real money which will come into your bank account. So you will have to click on this link maybe later on, and then you will see the option there. We will show you how to make money with email marketing without growing your own email list. Okay, and I will also show you how to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Because right now when you're watching this video, you must have seen some ads. Okay, in this video you must have seen some ads, and these ads make me money whether I sell you something or not, whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, so on YouTube you can get your YouTube channel monetized, and that's the very cool way to make money for rest of your life, and your entire generations can make money on YouTube until unless YouTube is here. Okay, so this traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel, which is actually required if you want to make money on YouTube with videos without selling anything. Okay, so we'll talk about that. So if you first of all, just go and subscribe here, hit the subscribe button, like the video. It's free, and it's something which I always forget to say. But subscribe and like, it's always free. And we as YouTubers, we cannot subscribe to our own channel, so you have to do this. This button is for you, not for me. Okay, and if you like my videos or content, and if you want to if you want to support this channel, or maybe leave your colorful comments, then you can use the super thanks button here, and using this button you can ask questions or just leave your comments in a more colorful way. Okay, so let's do a recap here. The recap is AWeber Crash Course is a training program. They will pass on the information, whatever they have learned about AWeber, they'll share that video. So personally, if you want to do email marketing, I have to ask you who you are. Okay, are you a beginner? Are you a newbie? Or have you tried something with email marketing but you stopped and now you want to start again? Or you are an advanced marketer? Okay, if you are advanced marketer and you are making money with email marketing, then just carry on doing what you have been doing. Okay, but if you're a beginner, or if you started before and then you stopped and now you're trying to start again, then don't get into this mess. Okay, you do not have to go and buy AWeber. You can still go and buy this course. Okay, you can go and buy the course, you can sell this course as your own, and you can make some money, 100% commission. Okay, but personally, if you want to do email marketing, I would say your strategies has to be spot on. Email marketing is not something which you can do for free. Okay, unless you go and make some YouTube videos. Okay, so if you cannot, or if you do not want to make YouTube videos, you will not be able to collect your email leads. For that, you will have to run paid ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, or maybe solo ads. So if you do not have any strategy, email marketing is not for you. Okay, so if you want, then you can go and check out this first link here, and then I will show you here how to make money with the email marketing without having to go and buy any autoresponder, because I will I will show you a video. If you click on this link, you will see a video in which you will you will be getting 100 leads every day, and also you will be getting the inbuilt autoresponder, and your job will be simply to just send emails and just sit back, and if the sales come, you make money. Okay, and also I'll show you how to make money on Traffic Jarvis. So let's check that out now. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.